Hi guys, it's Sam from Creatively Sam's. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you stopped by. Today's video is day 8 of 12 Days of Christmas Ornaments. If you want to see how I did this, stay tuned. It's coming up next. Okay, what I have is a couple of Christmas balls. These were purchased at the Dollar Tree. You can use bigger, you can use smaller, you can use whatever color you want. I've got some small Aurora Borealis gems. I have a quick stick. This doesn't always work for me, but it makes putting the gems on this easier. I have the hot glue gun, and I have some candle holders. And this is going to be easy, or make it easy for me to put the gems on it without having to hold it and get myself burnt. And basically all this is going to be is, I'm going to turn a bunch of these gems facing up, so that I can come in and grab them. And I'm just going to put a small dollop of glue where I want the gem to go. And I'm going to start on the bottom first and foremost. And I'm just going to put a little tiny drop of glue, and press that right into the glue. And this is not going to be the fastest ornament that I've ever done, but this is going to sparkle like crazy. So I'll come back after I've got a decent amount of gems on here. Okay, I've got some of the gems on here. And I want to thicken it up on the top so that it looks almost covered. I don't even know how to describe it. I just want a whole lot more of the gemstones closer to the top. Okay, I got the rest of the gemstones on this one, and I made them real tight together. And boy, is this glistening. I'm telling you, I cannot wait to see these ornaments with the Christmas lights. And the other one, the one that's got the glitter on it, I decided not to put as many of the gemstones on. I just made it a little tight towards the top and brought it down about halfway. And with the glitter sparkling as much as it is, I think this is fine. I think this really looks good. So I'm going to stop right there on that one. So if you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and happy creating, everyone.